This video will show you how to find a book on the shelf in the library. Search Find It, the USW Library search engine, using a book title, author or keyword, and select the library's search option. In this video we are searching Find It for the book Coaching in Professional Contexts. On the results list that appears after you have searched Find It, select the title of the book you are interested in. There may be more than one version of the book, so select the title of the book you want to find on the shelf to see further information. On the book details page, scroll down the page to see where the book is located. You will see a box listing the campus libraries where the book is located. To see what books are available at a particular campus library, select the campus library name. The campus library information will show you where the copies of the book are kept and whether they are available to borrow. Make a note of the shelf mark. The shelf mark is in the box containing the campus library name above the list of copies located at the library. It will consist of a minimum of 3 numbers followed by 3 letters. The shelf mark tells you where to find the book on the shelf. The books on the library shelves are arranged by number, with each number representing a different subject area. The 3 letters following the number will either be the first 3 letters of the author's family name or of the title. The range of shelf marks in each set of bookshelves are displayed at the end of each set of shelves in the library and tell you what shelf marks can be found in that set of bookshelves. Each set of bookshelves is read like a book page from top to bottom, left to right. This picture of some bookshelves uses yellow arrows to indicate how to read the bookshelves. To find the shelf mark you are looking for, look at the bottom of the spines of the books for the shelf mark and follow the number sequence. To find 658.3124 COA, that would mean looking for 658, 658.3, 658.31, 658.312, 658.3124, and then COA, the 3 letters following 658.3124. You should then be able to find the book on the shelves and other books on the same subject. If you need further support, get in touch.